Welcome to the world of fretboard finesse and melodic mastery. Imagine your guitar neck as a vast and uncharted landscape, a musical universe waiting to be explored. Just as a seasoned traveler navigates diverse terrains, a skilled guitarist glides effortlessly across the frets. Think of this exercise as your musical passport, allowing you to hop on the Fretboard Express and travel to different tonal destinations. Just like climbing a mountain, each shift up the neck presents a new challenge, a new vista to admire. As you ascend, your fingers acclimate to the changing environment, honing in on the intricacies of the scale. It's like discovering hidden gems in each position, transforming your guitar into a treasure trove of notes. Now, let's dip our toes into the scientific pond. Don't worry, no lab coats required. Repetition is our secret sauce here. Our brains love patterns, and by revisiting this exercise, you're essentially reprogramming your neural pathways. As you traverse the scale over and over, your neurons form stronger connections, like well-worn hiking trails. This means faster, more precise finger movements and improved muscle memory, all of which leads to that coveted dexterity boost. But hey, we're not done yet. As you zigzag up the neck and loop back, you're building not only nimble fingers, but also a musical toolkit. Those licks, phrases, and intricate runs you'll uncover in each position, they're like souvenirs from your musical journey, enriching your improvisational arsenal. It's as if you're collecting musical postcards from the various fretboard vistas you've explored. So, my fellow fret wanderers, gear up for a sonic adventure that combines the thrill of exploration with the science of brain rewiring. Remember, every shift up the neck brings you one step closer to becoming the guitar virtuoso you were born to be. Ready to get started? Strap in, tune up, and let's scale the heights of musical excellence, one fret at a time.
I hope this video inspires you to start a regular practice routine. The benefits aren't just getting better at the guitar. These repetitive routines will also fine-tune your ear. You'll literally hear music differently. So grab your guitar and just follow along with our routines. It's really that simple. Check out our videos on how we plan to make it easy on you. After all, the more you practice, the better you get, and the better you get, the better you get at getting better.